Yeah, Nick, I got you. You're in it. And so is Aaron. Hi, guys. Zaya doesn't... Emmy does not have it, but Zaya wants to play. My baby girl's playing, except the only one that wants to play is Zaya. We got some PR packages to open, guys. We got this beautiful Natasha Denona Sculpt and Glow Duo. These look beautiful. This is so cool because it has like this plastic cover on the creams that I can't open, and there's powders. That is sick. We got a package from Beautylish, and they have The Ordinary, which is the brand. It's called The Ordinary. It's a big skincare brand. I'm so excited to try this stuff out. Toning solution. We got a package from Bite Beauty. All these new lip liners. Oh my god, I have been dying to try these. I cannot wait. I love lip liners. I just pulled one out, and I've never seen a pencil. Oh. Okay, well, that's probably cracked now. What I was saying was, I was trying to say that I've never seen one so sharp before. Still sharp as fuck, even though it broke or fell. Damn. So cool. I love Urban Decay, and I love their message, and I love that they empower women. I really like how this new customized palette that Oprah just did opens this way. This is super, super cool. Thank you, Oprah. This is how me and my mom are spending Mother's Day right now. She gets first pickings at PR. So she got lucky today. What the heck? This box, guy? Okay, this is my hand. This is a huge thing. Zay, what's in your mommy? I can't open it. Holy crap. Holy crap. Smart girls fake it. Because it's bronzers. Aww. Oh my gosh, we got a package for Zaya. It says, enjoy your new toys, Zaya, from Jolly Pets. And we have toys for Zaya Lingy. Oh, thank you guys. What is it? What is this? You like it? Do you like it? We got some NARS blushes, and holy crap, I did one drop. My whole hand is covered. What the hell? Holy crap. Holy L'Oreal. Oh my gosh. Let's try some shit. I know I like this. I'm taking that one. Benefit. Oh my goodness. Save the best for last. Thank you so much for my little Zaya photo painting. It's so cute. You guys like being outside? My little explorers. We have a couple chairs here. Yeah. Emmy and Sophie are the guests. They get the bone. You need to let them have it sometimes. Okay? Swatched a couple of the colors of the Dose of Colors highlighters. They are pretty fucking intense. A couple of them are. That one and that one are. The other ones I'm like, eh. And here's with no flash. The middle one's bomb. The left one is bomb. That one not so much. That one's alright. That one's alright. These are sick.